Are there Irish proverbs about love? Have you ever wondered how love is expressed in the heart of Ireland? The Irish culture is filled with proverbs and sayings that beautifully capture the essence of love. These expressions reflected not just romantic feelings, but also deeper emotional connections that are cherished in Irish traditions and social customs. One famous saying is "Nil aon lias ar an engra ach pasad," which translates to "There is no cure for love but marriage." This proverb highlights the belief that true love naturally leads to a lifelong commitment. It shows how marriage is viewed as a significant step in a loving relationship. Another lovely saying is, "An ada buil du croy is anna thabharfas du chosa tu," meaning, "Your feet will bring you to where your heart is." This emphasizes that no matter where life leads, your heart will guide you to the people or places you truly love. It encourages trusting your feelings and following your heart. Irish love sayings often celebrate eternal love. Phrases like "Bade gra agam ort go dio," which means "I will love you forever," and "Gra go dio lit," translating to "love forever with you," are commonly used in romantic contexts. These expressions symbolize promises that last a lifetime. Terms of endearment are also popular in Irish culture. Mo anam cara means "my soul mate," while astor translates to "my treasure." Another sweet phrase is "Mo chuil mo croy," which means "my heart's beloved." These terms express deep affection and show how precious a loved one is. The simple phrase "Mo gia tu" means "I love you," demonstrating the straightforward and sincere nature of Irish expressions of love. Additionally, sayings like "Croy tracair" or "Heart of mercy" reflected compassion and understanding in romantic relationships. For travelers visiting Ireland, knowing these proverbs can enhance your experience. You may hear these phrases in conversations, songs, or even see them on jewelry and gifts, especially during weddings or Valentine's Day. Using a phrase like "Mo anam cara" when speaking to a close friend or partner can show respect for Irish culture and deepen your connections. Understanding the wisdom behind these proverbs, such as trusting where your heart leads, can also provide meaningful reflections during your travels. Irish proverbs about love are rich and varied, offering a glimpse into the emotional life and values of Ireland. They reminded us of the importance of love in Irish social customs and traditions.